to the Center Document Control System demonstration. As mentioned in the Center literature and throughout this website, Center is a web-based system that leaves zero footprint on the user's workstation. It is built using an N-tier architecture where the database backend is MS SQL. The middle tier containing the business logic is comprised of COM objects, and the interface makes use of active server pages. Center is in its fourth rewrite, and all new subsystems are coded in .NET. We log in and enter the home screen. The dashboard informs us of issued and pending change requests, open service records, workflow actions, and action items from meetings. As all are links, selecting any of these options will take us to the actual record. We enter the document control system from the Document and Records Control top-line menu selection. We are presented with a list of documents that have been modified in the past 20 days, with the thought that our accessing the system may be related to one of these documents. The records are displayed in ascending order. The column headers are links, and if selected, can resort the displayed records in descending order by the selected column. Starting from the left, the first field is a document unique identification number, followed by a title, author, DCS submission date, and a DB info revised. This last field indicates the last date that any related document data was revised. We select View, and the first line of the returning record contains the unique document number, the document type as a link enabling us to go to a list of documents under this type, the submission date, and classification, which enables us to define viewing and editing permissions and the current owner. An owner can differ from an author when the author is no longer an active staff member or cannot update the document, though the document may remain valid and useful for the company. The second line of the document record displays any publication information, meaning publications where the subject document may have been published and revision dates. The third line displays the author name and department as links, enabling the user to navigate to lists of documents authored by the individual or related to the subject department, and a field containing specific restrictions pertaining to the document beyond the classification. The fourth line contains the abstract and a link to the document. The final line displays obsolete versions as links and archival information. We select the document link and then download the document. The document can now be edited, printed, or incorporated into another file, but it cannot be resubmitted into DCS without the permission of the author and the action of the document control administrator. We return to the top line menu of this screen and select Search. We arrive at a screen where we can enter alphanumeric characters in any of the displayed fields as wildcard searches and retrieve one or more documents that matched our entries. Further, we can select from one or more of the four filter columns, including authors, departments, document type, or document keywords, and retrieve documents accordingly. We highlight Michael Angelakis from Authors and Quality Procedures from Document Type, and select Continue. The system returns all quality procedures authored by Michael. We return to Search and select Document Management from the submenu options. We enter New Document, which is the option that the DCS administrator should choose when ready to submit a document into DCS. We return and enter Administration. In View Author, we see the listing of authors, their email addresses, and the documents they have authored. The same applies to View Department and View Document Type. We enter Labor Resource Positions. Here we see a list of all staff members, their positions, and the documents assigned to these positions. The logic of this feature is that not all documents are applicable to all staff members. In this manner, we provide staff with only the documents that are directly applicable to their respective positions. For instance, not every employee needs to have access to a work instruction of how to manage the telephone switchboard or how to answer incoming telephone calls. This work instruction is therefore assigned to applicable positions. We return to Administration and select View User Groups and View Classifications. Both interfaces are user-defined, dedicated to document security, and provide a tertiary security level. Finally, in View Keywords, we are able to define keywords and provide descriptions. This completes the Center Document Management demonstration. Thank you for your time and patience. For a copy of this transcript and other document management related documents, please visit the www.itgonline.com Document Control menu option, where documents can be read or downloaded in PDF format. For more information, please call or write to the number, email, and address as displayed in the Contact Us section of this website.